Hi students, welcome back to the class which is discussing about light. Light is a vital part of our life. It allows us to see the objects. It warms the earth's surface. Now, what is light? Light is the common name for electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy that is all around us, such as radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays. Electromagnetic spectrum shows the entire distribution of electromagnetic radiation. No need of getting panic after hearing this. Have a look at here. This is electromagnetic spectrum. Here you can see gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet or UV rays, visible light, infrared rays and radio waves. Among the electromagnetic waves, we were able to see only visible light of electromagnetic spectrum, which shows the violet to red light, which you can see at the bottom. In physics, the term light sometimes refers to electromagnetic radiation, whether visible or not. In this sense, gamma rays, X-rays, microwaves, and radio waves are also light. We humans can see only visible light in the electromagnetic spectrum. Many animals, such as insects and shrimp, are able to detect ultraviolet rays. So, why we are seeing visible light and why these ultraviolet rays are not visible to us is because visible light has reflecting property and ultraviolet rays will be absorbed by our eyes. Here in this chapter we are going to learn about reflective property of light. Before learning about reflection of light, let us learn some new terms related to reflection. When we are looking into a mirror, we can see ourselves clearly, right? But when we are looking onto a wall, can we see ourselves? No. Why? Because light from sun or bulb is falling on the mirror, is bouncing back to our eyes. That's why we are able to see us. Let's see how it is happening. This is a mirror. Let us name it as PQ. This line shows the light from the sun or bulb falling on the mirror. We will call this line as incident ray. So, an incident ray can be defined as the ray of light falling on a reflecting surface. Here, mirror is a reflecting surface, whereas wall is not a reflecting surface. Wall is a absorbing surface. Let us name the incident ray as AO. A is the point from where light is falling. O is the point to which light is falling. The point O is named as point of incidence. The point of incidence is the point on the surface where incident ray strikes the surface. After striking the light on the surface, it will bounce back to our eyes. It will be represented like this. This is called reflected ray, named as OB. Reflected ray can be defined as the ray of light which returns from the surface after reflection. Next term is normal. It is the imaginary line perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. It can be named as OM. I will repeat once again. Normal is the imaginary line perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is the angle of reflection. It will be denoted using small letter r. The angle between incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence. It will be denoted by using small letter I. These are the new terms related to reflection of light. We can define reflection of light as the bouncing back of light into the same medium in which it was incident after striking a surface. Medium means air or water, etc. Different objects have surfaces of different natures. Some may be very smooth, some fairly smooth, some rough, or some may be too rough. Depending upon the nature of the surfaces, reflection can be regular or diffused. We will be learning about them in next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.